everyone, this is Satya. My name is Lekshmi. We are from second year BSc Agriculture from Professor Jaishankar Telangana Agriculture University under Crop Rotation Technology of Kharif crops. Under the guidance of J. Nagendra sir, we have sown Sesame crop. The scientific name of Sesame is Sesame indica. So Sri Lakshmi, what's the family of this?
So Satya, before going to the family of our crop, so Hindi में से क्या बोला जाता है? Do you know?
मेरे को नहीं पता.
It is known as til in Hindi, and it belongs to the family Pedalaceae. And the chromosome number of Sesame indica is 2n equal to 26, and the center of origin of Sesame is India.
Sesame seeds we can be used in the burger buns, cakes, bakeries, and more. The oil extraction sesame seeds can be used as a livestock feed. Sesame is one of the major exports in India. Sesame is one of the oldest oilseed crop. It is also known as the queen of oilseeds. The oil content is between 45 to 55%.
Coming to the morphological description of Sesame crop, the stem is erect and it is green, as you can see, and it is also slightly hairy. It is solid in nature and it grows up to 100 to 150 centimeter, and it varies depending upon the variety and the growing conditions. So we have sown our crop in the first week of April, and now it's almost been 2 months after we have sown. And this is the growth status of our crop. Well, you can see the formation of capsules and also the flowers. Coming to the morphology of the flowers are tubular or bell shaped, and these are light pink or purple colored, and they are bisexual, and they are mostly self-pollinated crop. Generally, the flower formation starts between 35 to 45 days after sowing, and after successful fertilization, the flowers continues to change into capsules. And here you can see the capsule which I have just removed. This is how a capsule forms on the plant, and after removing the capsules you can see the seed formation. This is the formation of the seeds. It's still raw. Coming to the leaves of Sesame indicum, there are two distinct types of leaves based on the position on the plant. While the lower leaves, as you can see here, the lower leaves are typically trilobed. Here you can see they are trilobed or palmately divided, and they are generally wider and larger than the upper leaves. Okay, and they are measuring about 3 to 5 inches in length. Then the lower leaves, then the upper leaves are found higher up in the stem. Here you can see the morphological difference in the two kinds of leaves. The upper leaves are narrower and they have ovate or lanceolate shape with smooth, silky, soothed margins.
This is the root of the sesame crop. Sesame has well-developed taproot system which penetrates deep into the soil, helping the crop tolerate drought conditions.
So now let us discuss about the seed rate, the spacing requirement, and the seed treatment which is being practiced in Sesame. Well, coming to the first one, that is the seed rate. The seed rate is 3 to 5 kgs per hectare, and the spacing, we have given a row spacing of 30 centimeter and the plant to plant distance is 10 centimeter. We must ensure proper spacing because each plant requires adequate sunlight and proper nutrients. Well, coming to the seed treatments, we can use the chemical treatments, or we can also use biofertilizers. Coming to the chemical treatment, we can use carbendazim at 2 grams per kg of seeds, and the biofertilizers such as azospirillum and phosphate solubilizing bacteria are used at 25 grams per kg. This ensures that there is no seed-borne diseases and there is optimum plant stand.
So sowing method of sesame crop is by dribbling, broadcasting, and by seed dribbling. It is sown in the depth of 2 to 3 centimeters. Thinning and gap filling are done 15 days after sowing. So by doing thinning, crop increases. There is no competition among the crops. We can get optimum plant population.
So now let us discuss about the nutrient management of our crop. The nutrient management is 40:20:20 kg per hectare. That is NPK, 40:20:20 kg per hectare. While coming to the nitrogen, it is applied as 2 splits. First split as basal and second split as the top dressing, that is 30 days after sowing. While the phosphorus and potassium, they are only applied as the basal. And as for how can you see the deficiency symptoms of these, so in our crop we have only observed the deficiency of nitrogen. You can see the yellowing of the leaves. The yellowing of the older leaves indicates that there is a deficiency of nitrogen, but deficiency of phosphorus can be seen as purple coloration or when there is a formation of weaker roots, and the deficiency of potassium can be seen when there is a scorching in the margins of the leaves. So now let us discuss about the major pests which attack our crop. Those includes acids, whiteflies and aphids. But while we were going through our crop, today we were able to get a tiny visitor to our field. That is, come let's see what that is. That's a tiny caterpillar, not so tiny. A big caterpillar indeed. It's a major pest. It eats all our leaves and capsules. So how can we manage it? We can manage it by spraying neem seed kernel extract at 5% or by using biocontrol methods like Bacillus thuringiensis, etc.
Coming to water management, the water requirement for the sesame crop is 350 to 450 mm. The critical stages of water requirement is at a pod development stage and flowering stage. So maturity symptoms are indicators of maturity: so yellowing and drying of seeds, stem becomes hard, capsule becomes brown, and seeds become hard.
So coming to the weed management practices, the common weeds which we found in our field were cypress root and dust, then parthenium, which is very commonly found in all the fields and it is known as carrot grass, and this is alternaria. So the critical crop weight competition is between 15 to 45 days after sowing, and the weeds can be managed by hand weeding or by the usage of herbicides also.
So expected yield is 80 to 120 quintals per hectare.
So finally, our field plot have helped us to understand the complete crop production practices, that is from sowing to harvesting of the sesame crop, and the scientific cultivation practices have taught us how to improve the productivity and profitability of sesame crop. Thank you.